Looney? Cheeto? Yeah. What should we declutter? Both of you. Oh, okay. Lip liners and eyeliners. Let's take those out. This is my favorite. I remember when K launched, they used to send me everything that they had. And now they don't send me anything at all. Maybe they do not like one or two negative reviews that I did. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Today with me, we have got Cheetah Poo. And on the other corner, being shy and coy, we have Luna Poo. Cheetah Poo is gonna be Luna Poo's voice anchor piece. What do you would, naughty girl, my naughty girl. So what are we gonna do today, Looney? Cheeto? Yeah, tell them what are we gonna do today. So we are gonna do a little bit more of decluttering. We have already decluttered foundations, powders, quite a lot of stuff, guys. If you haven't seen those videos, you can check it out in the iCard right over here. And today, I don't know which makeup. Look at how cute. Hold on. How adorable are they? Boo-boos, what should I declutter today? Should we do lip liners? Maybe eyeliners. I've collected quite a lot and I haven't... what is that on your head? I haven't used all of them yet. Oh, they got into their fire. But you're supposed to help me, dum-dums. What should we declutter? Both of you. Oh, okay. So this is where I keep all of my pencils and mascaras. I will link these acrylic containers in the description bar below. If I don't, remind me. This is from my empties video. Do you remember? I was like, maybe I shouldn't get rid of it. I have a whole story about it. So again, if you would like to see my empties video, I will link that. Okay, now let's start decluttering. You know what? I want to do lip liners and eyeliners. Let's take those out. There you go. That is my entire lip liner collection. It's not that I have a collection. Most of this comes from K-Beauty. They send me the entire collection and also Colourpop. This is one of my favorite. As you can see, I've used it quite a lot. It's become short. It's in the shade Applause. But recently, I took it out to use and I saw this bit. I think that is mold. And also, I got this when they launched, so I'm gonna get rid of that. This is Huda Beauty's black lip liner. I have never had the chance to use it yet, so I'm not gonna throw that. This is another K-Beauty one. I had looked through it. It looks fine, so I'm gonna keep it. Okay, we've got a bunch of Colourpop ones, guys. I think we really need to figure out what we're gonna keep and what we are not, okay? That's a nice color. Gonna keep it. Also check if there is mold. That looks fine. That's beautiful color. Why don't I use it more often? No mold. I've never noticed Colourpop having mold, but also we need to check. K-Beauty, I need to check if there is mold. Oh, I think I'm just gonna throw it. Where is the... Okay, that is going. Let's check this other K-Beauty. The pencil seems fine. Oh, it's really dried out. And that's a color I'm not gonna... It's too bright for me, so I'm gonna get rid of that. These So Juicy ones are also from Colourpop. They are brand new, so I'm obviously gonna keep them. The Chambord one, I love this. I'm just gonna show you a quick swatch. This is their brown. Love it. Obviously gonna keep them. NYX, this is also nude. I just bought it recently. Love it. I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna look at all the colors because we have so many to go through. So this is Urban Decay. This is new. I love brown lip liners. If you're a brown girl, you know the importance of having brown lip liners. Yeah, that's a good one. I'm gonna keep it. I think our main target over here should be K-Beauty because that is the oldest one. This is my favorite K-Beauty lip liner. This is the shade Fame. I think I have a backup. That's what it looks like. Look at, oh, it's so dried out. Oh. But that looks exactly like that Colourpop and It's so dried out. That's high voltage. Looks okay to me. That's a nice color too. Gonna keep it. You know what? If I'm gonna find another Fame, I think I have another one. I'll get rid of this one. These pack lip liners are not my favorite, you know. I'm gonna get rid of that. That's nice red. I'm gonna keep that. Oh, that's a nice magenta. I'm gonna keep that. Hey babies, come out, because I have a feeling these are expired. Oh, I remember this Lakme one. This is, I really liked it. It went way to the end of the pile. Colourpops I'm keeping. They're all great. Oh, guys, if you get your hands on this LA Girl, get it. Yeah, I need to sharpen it, but they have a nude collection. See this nude lip liner? It's a whole collection. I have 2 of them. They have a whole range, you know, for whatever your skin tone is. They're amazing. They're new, so I'm gonna keep them. Okay, so here is a high impact unopened. Okay, do I have another Fame though? Hype. That's molded. That's going. That's molded. That's going. That's molded. There, right there. That's going. This shade is way too light for me. Why did I even keep it? Why, like, okay, that's going. I remember when, oh, that's molded. That's going. I remember when K launched, they used to send me everything that they had, and now they don't send me anything at all. Maybe they do not like 1 or 2 negative reviews that I did. I don't know. The rest are all new ones from Colourpop, Milani. Yeah, I'm gonna keep all of this. Let me take a look at that red one again. Oh, that's still beautiful. Though I'm gonna keep both the high impacts. So that's the lip liners done. Let's do the kajals. Okay, the very first thing that I see over here is the Earth Rhythm one. This is quite old and I remember really liking it. Even though it wasn't the blackest kajal, you would see that's because I have really sensitive eyes, and this did not make my dry eyes drier. But I'm gonna get rid of it because it's quite old. NY Bay, this is quite new, so I'm gonna keep it. Very black. This kohl pencil from Natasha Moore. It's very high-end kajal. It's a shame that I don't wear a lot of kajal, but I'm gonna try. You know, it's just that I have very sensitive eyes, but maybe I can use this as a base or whatever. Prosh Beauty. This is very new. Oh my god, did I just break? Oh, it was too creamy. I broke it. I shouldn't have done that. That was not part of the script, guys. Next up, we've got a Charlotte Tilbury one. As you can see, it is beautiful and black, but there are blacker kajals here in India. And I don't blame them for it because Charlotte Tilbury is a British brand and they are made, I think, for more fairer skin tones and they don't want like the blackest, you know. This is from a new brand called OC Glow. Yeah, so it's apparently made with marine ingredients and everything. I have not tried it. This is Huda Beauty's Black Kohl. Very black. Now see, this is an Arab brand. Like Indians, Arabs also really put a lot of emphasis on the kohl rimmed eye. See how black that is versus the Charlotte Tilbury, which is somewhere over here, not that black. House of Makeup, it's an Indian brand, new brand, of course, very black, very beautiful. It's also new. I'm gonna keep it. Candle Eyes used to be one of my favorite kohl pencils from Rimmel. It's very, do you see that? It's still so creamy and so black, but because it's just so old and you put it inside your eyes, I'm gonna get rid of it. The Plum, this is the I Swear By one. Oh my god, do you see how black that is? Oh my goodness. I don't remember. I think this is new. I'm gonna keep that. Faces Canada, also very black, but the only problem is that it doesn't set in place. So anyways, it's old, so I'm gonna get rid of it. It's just drying. It's dried out on me. Pack Cosmetics also has really nice black eyeliners. These are their gel versions, and they have travel sizes, which I really like, you know. Next up, this might be a new brand for you guys. This is Noha Nabil. She's a Kuwaiti influencer, and she had started a brand, and she sent this to me when I was in Kuwait. I've not spoken much about it because by the time I got this, I left Kuwait and came back, and this wouldn't be available for you guys in India. But do you see how black that is? You see that Arab black is black and creamy. Oh my goodness. All right, let's quickly go through some of the other pencils I have. This is the MAC. Surprising, not that black, but I'm gonna keep this anyway. MAC sends me PR, you guys. A lot of people have been asking me, is MAC cruelty free now? How come you're talking about it? It's just that MAC sends me PR. This is the Lakme one. It is a really good kohl pencil, the Absolute, but it's old and it clearly has dried out. So I'm gonna get rid of it. This is another MAC one. I don't know if it is the same or different. I'm gonna keep this anyway. The Nykaa Kajal. I've heard a lot of people say that this is the blackest and it lasts the longest on the eyes. I guess this is also dried out on me. Oof, that is black. Oh my god, that matches the blackness of the Arab. Look at that. That's a Noha Nabil one. That's the... Do I keep this? I have so many cool. I'm gonna get rid of this just because it's a little dry right now. K Beauty, this has this, you know, they send it to me during their launch. Wow, I'm quite surprised that it's really still creamy, but because it's like 4 years old, I'm gonna get rid of it. You put this in your eye. Faces Canada, this is the one with the little shimmers. I had used it up, but I'm gonna get rid of this because again, it's really old. But the Faces Canada ones are so, you see that? So pretty. Why is the lip liner in this? Please go back. Okay, I have a Mama Earth green kajal. Well, this is not your space. It's pretty dry. But beautiful, huh? I have another box for colored kajal. This came into this box by mistake. I have another one from Lakme, I believe. This is also pretty old. So, do you see how black that is? Do you see how black that is? Damn. But I have not worked with Lakme in a very long time. Judging by that, I'm assuming that this is a very old kohl pencil. So I'm going to get rid of that. So these are the kohl pencils I'm going to keep. That makes a really interesting swatch of all the black kohl pencils that I have. Anyways, these are the products that I am getting rid of. I'm getting rid of these because they are old. And these go on your lips, your mouth, and your eyes. And, I'm not throwing this. This is very new. This is so juicy lip liner from Colourpop. So, yeah. Alright, so I have my colored kohl pencils. These are my brow pencils. These are my liquid liners. These are my colored liquid liners, and these are both mascaras. All of these are yet to be decluttered. We just finished these two. These are all of my... Sorry, where are we? Yes, baby, we're almost done, boo-boo. Almost done. These are all of my eyeshadows. I need to declutter that as well. We are done with this. I will link them. We are done with this. I will link them. I think we're done with the blush also. I don't remember, guys. So anyways, if you'd like to see more of the declutter videos, please make sure to click that thumbs up button. Share this video with another makeup lover of yours. And let me know what you'd like to see next in all the declutters that I just showed. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I love you.